sigurado yung ibang franchise outlets mo affected.
Kaya nga, Iko, it's very important na yung isang franchiser ay maingat sa pagpili ng kanyang franchisee.
If for example, doon naman sa side ng franchisee, paano kung later on na-discover mo hindi pala ganun katatag yung franchise business na nabili niya?
Aha, the pitfalls involved with franchising. Yan ang topic po namin mamaya sa pagbabalik ng pinakabigating business show, ang Go Negosyo Big Time!
Uy, magbayad ka nga.
What? Ano?
Yung last week.
Niloloko mo ba ako, Iko? Hindi ka nakakatawa, ha?
Ay nako, do you remember last episode wala ako? Hindi ko napanood yung big time story mo eh. Dapat pakita mo sa akin,
Yun
diba?
lang naman pala. Iko, why don't you just watch this?
Watch where?
Ngayon, nasa Kamuning tayo para bumili ng mga tela. Actually, tumingin muna, mag-source as much as possible yung cheapest tsaka yung pinakamagandang quality. Yung nga lang, wala yung mga business partners ko ngayon. Nag-distribute naman kami ng works. Like yung akin sa tela, sa kanila sa mananahe. So yung kailangan for the tunics, kailangan light materials muna. Tapos may color na kaming pinag-usapan, mga jewel tones nga. Tunic. Oh, half oak. Ayun, alam naman pala nyo. 400. Kasama na tela doon? Di pa. Eh kung ano, mga 30 pieces.
130 talaga.
Oh, 30. 300, tapos plus tela pa. Per yard, magkano? Mga ilan yards yun? 2.5 yards na yun? Talaga? Okay lang pa yung calling card. Pag ganito per yard, magkano? Eh kung mas malaming kukunin, sino dito yung number? Big mistake kasi dapat nagdala talaga ako ng sample. So always be prepared yun nga. Hindi ako nakaprepare ng sample ng tunic ko para mas precise yung pagpresyo. So at least ito, meron silang mga plain, and I think this is what we're actually looking for with my friends. At least I have her number over here, but syempre kailangan ko pa mag-ikot. Big mistake ko today, hindi ako nagdala ng copy. Hindi ko dala yung sample design namin. So, hindi ma-estimate ng tama kung magkano ba talaga, ilang yards talaga kailangan. And at least may number naman sila dito. I can estimate myself as well. Medyo na distract ako sa sobrang rami. Yung feeling ko dito, yung advantage talaga, kasi meron na sila mananahe dito eh. You know, it's easy for it to go back and forth, to just look for the cloth and then go to the mananahe. And pwede sila mag-usap, pwede mag-communicate. Importante yun eh. Baliktad no, ang hinanap ko talaga was tela, pero ang nahanap ko designer. The places where you can really buy clothes are Divisoria, sa may Chinatown, of course the mall, but pag sa mall din, ang bagsakan rin naman talaga is galing talaga sa Divisoria rin. Or here rin sa Kamuning. The reason I opted for Kamuning more than Divisoria is because here, may mananahe na. And it's not too crowded, it's not too magulo. Actually, happy na talaga ako dito eh. At least to, sinabi ni Miss Janet Fernando na she already tried making tunics. So, meron na siyang experience. Yun na lang haggling with the price. So, plano ko bumalik na lang next time and talk to her, haggle with her, talk to her about the designs. So, medyo happy na talaga ako dito. Pag tunics ba, your estimate, ilan yards dapat?
Siguro kung 60 yards.
I like it. She's young. She knows what we want. Ay, may mananahe ka rin ba? Dito rin mismo from the shop. Do you have white cotton? This one. Pero may print siya. Alright, I might keep in touch. I'll call. Sige, thank you. Here kasi, I like it kasi napaka-young and vibrant ng colors. Pero I have to get the approval first kasi nga meron kaming Target dual tones. Ito kasi very printed. Although I really like it, and I'm sure Sina Jamie will like it, baka we'll have to alter and make small changes yun eh. Big changes with our designs. Lessons today. Marami. Number 1, be prepared. Number 2, always keep an open mind. Importante rin yan eh. Because not just not just because you came here having a goal na ito ang kulay na hahanapin ko, doesn't mean you can't find anything better. So when I came here, I realized, ang dami palang options pa na pwedeng gawin, and I was sticking too much on jewel tones. So at least as one, keeping an open mind, I could even provide better decisions for my other partners. Well, we'll still talk about it, but those are the 2 lessons I have learned.
Wow! Ang dami mo na talagang na-accomplish at tuloy-tuloy na talaga yung business mo na yan.
Alam mo, Iko, wala na talagang atrasan to.
Ba, alam mo, it's not every day that you get to fulfill your dreams. Kaya nga ako, Chal, alam mo, inggit na inggit ako sa'yo.
Someday, Iko. But if you really want to be inspired talaga, here's a story that will truly propel your dreams to reality. Hi, sir. Welcome to Reyes Hair Cutters. Sir, excuse me lang, ha? Po service natin today, sir. Haircut, hair color, foot spa. Would you want iced tea, water?
Haircut lang.
Haircut. Sir, by the way, ako po si Chal. Kayo po, sir. Ano po pangalan niyo?
I'm Les Reyes,
Les Reyes. Parang familiar. Sir, what do you do?
entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur. Naku, si Sir Les Reyes pala ito. The genius behind Reyes Hair Cutters, ang salon ng bayan. Sir, tamang-tama. Ang mission ko talaga today is makilala kayo at ma-interview kayo regarding your business. But before that, sir, congratulations. Kasi balita ko, outstanding franchiser of the year ang Reyes Hair Cutters. Sir, congratulations.
Thank you.
Sir, may konting game lang tayo dito sa question and answer. Kayo naman yung customer ko ngayon, di ba? Sir Les, what I have here, mga parlor tools and equipment. Pero dyan sa mga parlor tools and equipment na yan, nandyan yung mga questions ko for you. So, if I may, sir, question and answer tayo portion namin ngayon. Sige, sir. Pick one specific tool muna to start.
The blower.
The blower. First question, the blower. What gave you the idea to franchise a salon business?
Actually, yung idea na yan nanggaling sa mismong kliyente namin. Kasi ang dami-daming clients and then they're the one who ask all of us, why don't you franchise your business? So, we gave them the answer. We studied about franchising and then, eto na kami.
And sir, ilan branches na yung mga nag-franchise all in all?
As of today, we have 270 nationwide.
217 yan na nationwide. Okay, sir? For our second question, pick lang ulit tayo ng tool.
I'll take the hairbrush.
Okay, hairbrush. Here, sir.
What's with Reyes Hair Cutters that makes it franchisable?
Oh, sir, bakit patok na i-franchise yung Reyes Hair
Kasi
Cutters?
madali naman siyang kopyahin. It's easy to manage the salon business. You need to do is to have a skill and siyempre, konting talent and knowledge about salon business.
Pero ako sasabihin ko rin, quality rin nyo eh. So, okay na yung blower, okay na yung paddle brush. Sir, 3 more to go.
Spray gun.
Spray gun palang tawag dito.
Advantage and disadvantage of franchise. Ang advantage ng franchise, there's already a system when you start a business. So, yung franchisee, all they have to do is follow the standard of the franchise system. Ang disadvantage naman, when you start a business, talagang from the start, you will think you have to be creative and innovate. Marami ka pang dadaanan na system how to make on this business. Kagaya ng franchise, parang nakahain na eh. Meron ng manual na susundan from opening to closing to marketing, financing, supply. Meron ng susundan. There's always a guide. And then if there's a problem in the business, it's just a phone call away and there will be an answer right away. Phone call to me and to our office.
Ano yung disadvantages naman?
Franchise, you have to be a team player. Kasi kung hindi ka nakakasunod sa system ng franchisor, it will be hard for both ends.
Okay, sir. 3 questions down, 2 more to go. Pangpangpag nagbuhok.
Qualities, an entrepreneur who wants his business franchise, vice versa who wants to franchise. To think na bago mo simulan ng franchise na talagang may kliyente na it's gonna be a win-win situation. Hindi mo lang kukunin yung franchise fee. So, you have to make sure na merong system, everything's in place, and then you have a team always na step by step you will be guiding the franchisee.
Sir, paano naman kung ikaw yung nagpapa-franchise? Anong kailangan tandaan ng ating mga viewers?
Pag ikaw naman ang franchise, first of all, again, piliin mabuti yung mga franchisee na papasok sa inyo because parang